Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balvin Devde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in JSI College. And today's video topic is string. The today's session we can see what is meant by string and what are the uses of the string and what are the disadvantages of the string and how to create string and string why are the string are immutable and how to create the string as a mutable and also see the what are the different types of the method presented to the string. So today's session let's start. The first we can see the definition of the string. The definition of the string is a collection of the collection of sequence number of sequence of the character. Means also we can call as a string as a collection of the string also call as a character array. We can see the string are immutable. What is mean by immutable? The string are immutable means we can don't have a changes or we can create the once the string we can don't changes into the string. The first we can see the string is a class. This class will be provided different types of the method into the class. Then we can see the what is mean by the how to create the string. The string we can create the by the two ways. The first is by using the literals and by using the new keywords. The first we can see them by using the literals. By using literals we can created this string. The string first syntax we can create. The first take a string this and then we can take a variable is equal to in a curl into the double quoted we can take any string. These types of the syntax we can create the string. The string will be stored into the directly into the string constant. This string, what is mean by string constant? The string constant pool is a special type of memory. It is assigned to the into the heap memory. It is a it will be store the string object in the string constant pool. By using we can create the by using literal we can create the string. This is directly stored into the string constant pool. It is not to create any object into the heap, but it directly create the object into the string. We can store the string into the string constant. Then we can using the new keywords. By using to the new keywords we can create the string object. The string object string is a object we can create it by using new keywords. It is a used to the new keyword to the string. This will be created the new by using the new keyword we can create this string. It will be created the two object. The first object we get created the string constant pool and second object is created into the heap memory. That's the reason by using to the new keyword we can create the string. It will be require more memory and it will be occupy the more space as compared to by using created the new by using to the literals. And then we can see the what is mean by string are immutable. The string are immutable concept are to the related to the string constant pool because of the all these object created to the into the string. It is stored into the string constant pool. But this object are don't have a created any new copy into the string constant pool because of the first object will be once created this object the string s1 this object name is object is created the abcd, but we can take a second string and then also created the string is abcd. This time only this assign the variable this only assigned to the address of this string. It is a address will be assigned to the that string. Means we don't have created the any second object into the string constant, but it is a it is a most advantages of the created the string is a immutable. Because of we can create this string is immutable, it will be directly assigned the address to the directly assigned to the address to the new string. then the second advantages of the new and then the object will be stored in the string construct put. String construct put, it is not it is permanently stored into the string construct pool because of the any garbage collection is not working into the string construct pool because of the garbage collection is working to the this object don't have any reference are provided in this object. This will be garbage collector are removed from the heap memory, but into the string construct pool the JVM also provided to the internally reference variable to the internally this object are present into the string construct pool. This will be JVM also assigned to the variable to the string construct this object present in the string construct. And then also we can use to the also we can different types of the method are using into the string construct like concat, start with, end with, uppercase, lowercase, length, caret I, then the replace, and then contents, then a stream, trim method, then split method are the different types of method are present into the string to the string class. This will be used to the simply to the use the string into the simple use by using these methods. So it is all about to the string. So let's thank you and take care.